guys, just do a little experiment. I'm going to flip the glasses over, so you've got a glass of water here, and then you've got your Eutrema Clay Drainer in this one, and then you'll see how quickly they empty. Ready? Clay drainer's all gone. The water is still going. Now guys, just showing you where the importance of having a wetting aid in your lawn. Just took a chunk of soil up your garden. You got water here, and then you got the clay drainer and a glass on the right. So you go, just put a bit of water. See there, it's just staying on the surface. A little bit's going down. I'll put the rest of it in. A little bit's going down there, and then I'll put the clay drainer on. You see all the soil, you see how much moisture is going down in there. There you go. That's clay drainer from Eutrema, and if you want a link to it, it will be in the description. Alright guys.